Imagine a world where your customer success team thrives, hitting every goal and exceeding expectations. That's the power of OKRs. Consider this example. Your objective might be to improve customer satisfaction. How do we measure that? Key results could be reducing support ticket response time by 20%, or increasing positive customer survey responses by 15%. Another objective, boost product adoption. Key results, increase new user onboarding completion by 30%, or elevate the number of customers using advanced features by 25%. Remember, OKRs should be ambitious, measurable, and time-bound. They're not just tasks, they're guiding lights towards your company's success. So, why not harness the power of OKRs today? Your customer success team might just thank you for it. Keep setting objectives, keep measuring results, and keep striving for success.